Before we look at the data in Pivot, there's something you need to know. This assessment asked you questions about standards that we will be learning this year. That means you were asked questions about standards that have not been taught yet. Are you thinking, that's not fair? Well, before you get too frustrated about it, keep in mind that we all need data to let us know where we are. That includes your teachers, and that's how we use the results from Pivot to get data that guides us in what to do next. Here's how you can get your Pivot data and plan on your growth. When you sign into Pivot, you should see this page. If you don't, select the Daily Assessments tab and click on Assessments. Under Submitted Assessments, you'll see the information for language arts and math. The scores are right here. This is when you have to keep in mind that you were tested on stuff that has not been taught, so do not stress. Click on the I at the end of the row to see details. This is the summary view where you'll see how you did on each individual question. Click here to see what you answered. Click off to the side to close that view. Click here to see the correct answer. Want to know why it's the right answer? Click on Incorrect. It will take you to the Test Name view. Under Rationale, you'll see some reasons you might have gotten it wrong, as well as the explanation for the correct answer. But you can take this even further. Click on Student Response to see the question again. What is this question about? You might notice the word inference. That's a skill you can work on in IXL. All you have to do is search for inference. Check out the levels. Where should you start? This student has answered quite a few questions at level F and G, so let's see what those questions look like by hovering over the choices. Is it too hard? Too easy? Change the level until you're comfortable, then click on your choice and start learning. Did you make a mistake and choose a level that you aren't ready for? Scroll to the bottom where you'll see Not Feeling Ready, These Can Help. You can hover over the options and choose one. If it's still too difficult, repeat that process. If it gets too easy, you can return to your original skill by clicking here. One more thing about Pivot. Note that not every question will have a rationale, and it won't be easy to identify what every question is about. Don't get stuck. If you aren't sure what to do about a given question, try a different one. If you start to get frustrated, ask a teacher for help in determining what to do next.